Meet DronaHQ's vibe coding platform to build production-ready internal tools and apps. Here's how it works. Start by describing what you want to build using natural language. The prompt can be as detailed as you need. Vibe coding turns your intent into structured user stories. These define the users, their actions, and the goals. Once approved, the platform generates an editable React code for your app. Alongside, you also get a live interactive preview of the app. Next, you can start binding data. The platform creates a full list of UI components to work with. Connecting data is straightforward. Select a component, open the data query panel, and define where the data should come from. By selecting a component, open the Action Flow Builder. Here, define what should happen on certain app events. Choose from ready action blocks and configure actions based on events on the screen. Logs, warnings, and errors are available in the console, making it easier to test and debug the app. The app you're building is ready for both web and mobile. Switch layouts instantly to see how it behaves across different screen sizes. Once everything looks good, publish the app. Share it privately with selected users or make it public and accessible through a link. Start vibe coding enterprise-ready apps with DronaHQ today.